Hey there, gang, and welcome to the short tutorial on how to heat press cotton as well as tri-blend fabrics. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change your settings on your heat press to 8 seconds for pressing and 265 degrees. You will also be adjusting your PSI at this time. For cotton and tri-blend, that would be 60. Now, it may take a moment for your heat press to cool down or heat up to the desired temperature, but once it has, you can go ahead and move forward with placing your design on your, for this example, cotton t-shirt. Make sure it's aligned correctly and then press for those 8 seconds. Once those 8 seconds are up, make sure to give yourself 5 seconds before peeling your transfer. It should come off smooth and it should not snag. In regards to tri-blend fabrics, we follow the same settings at 265 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 seconds at a 60 psi. You can go ahead and move forward with placing your transfer, adjusting it how you like, and then pressing again for those 8 seconds. Once that is complete, you can move forward with waiting those 5 seconds. As soon as those 5 seconds are up, you can go ahead and peel your transfer. It should come up smooth, just as the other did, and you are done. Once that is finished pressing, you can always press once more for an additional 8 seconds to increase the washability and hand feel of your transfer. We want to thank you all for watching this tutorial, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us.